Creating quality content for social media can be a struggle for many brands. I'm going to go over how you can create better quality content right now. Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm Garrison and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to master your social media marketing, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In quality, I mean the actual quality of the content you're posting. Clear images and video as well as the text portion of your post. Grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Your images need to be clear and visible as well as having a direct correlation to the text portion of your overall direction of the post. If you're posting a picture of the new product release of the Widget 1000, the image or video you post shouldn't have the Widget 5000 in it. There's nothing worse for your brand's image if the content you post isn't even about the picture, video, blog, etc. you're referring to in your content. Also with quality content, I'm speaking to about what you're actually posting. Text only, images, graphics, videos, or a blog post. Content is really anything you're gonna post. Your text, your images, your video, etc. This is what your brand will be known for. So when you're creating your content, make sure it'll hit at least one of these points. It needs to be engaging, educational, emotional, or entertaining. Let's talk about the first E with engaging content. One way most social media platforms' algorithms actually works is by weighing how much engagement your content receives from your audience. Creating engagement that invites your audience in by them either sharing, commenting, or liking your content is one of the biggest ways you can have your content in front of more people. Engaging content can be in the form of open-ended questions. By asking open-ended questions, you're inviting your audience to respond to your content. Also, an often overlooked piece of content, specifically on Facebook, is to use their own polls feature. You can utilize this built-in content feature to generate engagement from your audience. Facebook polls are a great way to make plans with your friends, settle a friendly debate, or even ask your customers what they'd like to see from your brand. The poll feature is a piece of content that allows you to ask your audience a poll-style question, while being able to add a graphic element or static images, videos, or even GIFs. This is a fun and built-in way on Facebook to grab your audience's attention while generating great engagement to boost the ranking signal in the Facebook algorithm. Educational content is just like it sounds. Do they learn something from your content? Being a go-to source for knowledge within your industry can go a long way. Educational content plays a big role in any successful social media presence. Becoming that go-to resource for your brand or industry means you're adding value to your audience and they'll come to your brand first when they're looking for information, products, or services when the time comes. Creating content that educates does not always have to be about those old boring classes you had to take in college, high school, or wherever. They can be centered around your industry and services you offer. Actually, that's the best way to leverage educational content for your brand. Emotional content is anything you post that's going to evoke any type of emotion from your audience. Duh, right? However, you need to keep in mind that there are a lot of different types of emotions that can help your brand's content on social media. Your content can evoke joy, sadness, fear, or even anger. Emotions are one of our most basic traits and easiest to attach to something like your content or even your brand. If your content can tap into the emotions of your audience, you're on the right track for lasting content. Entertaining content can obviously be the most fun to create. Social media isn't sales all the time. Social media is supposed to be fun, so have fun. Social media in the end is all about having fun. It was never created to be a marketing or advertising vessel. That's just a great byproduct for us marketers and brands overall. So when it comes to entertaining your audience, the sky is pretty much the limit. You obviously want to keep it in good taste and align with your brand's overall image in mind. Get creative, put on your funny hat, and have a blast. To learn even more about mastering your social media marketing, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.